So this is another Willy Do special right here. This thing got funded, it raised a bunch of money, $1 million. I think that deserves our attention. This is something called solar paper, which claims to be the world's thinnest and lightest solar charger. They got it here, they're showing it off like folded up into a book. That's how thin it is. Solar's good. The sun, it's there every day. As long as it's there, you're there. This is there. Unlimited power. Now, I mean, let's be honest here. Solar charging is gonna take a while. Bit slow, generally speaking, and typically not portable. So it's kind of cool that they've made the thinnest and lightest solar charger. We're talking about sun to electricity. That's pretty cool. These two are the same things, it looks like it. So this guy's got a, You can fully charge your iPhone 7 in about 2.5 hours. This is real? That's not that bad. 2.5 hours. If you're this guy, you're out in the woods, you're out in the wilderness, you're half dead, you're starving, you gotta call somebody. I mean, 2.5 hours is better than death.
Why is he gonna be dead if he can't charge his phone?
Cause he can't, he's starving, he needs to call Uber Eats in the woods. And you know Uber Eats is gonna get there. It's gonna be some dude, he's sweating, he's on a bike, and the food is jumbled around. You know it is. Ooh. Whoa. Plug into the sun. Yes. Yes, there's magnets. Ooh, and then, kablamo. How? That's too easy. That's good. These are thin. I love magnets. You already know that. Bam. And then, bam, I'm traveling. It's really not much bigger than a smartphone itself. Looking around, you see a couple of USB ports on the top there. Apple devices connect to port A, non-Apple devices to port NA. I wonder why, I'm not really certain, but here is the LCD panel on the front. This will tell you how much power is going to your device based on how much sun that you have. We have some shoelaces. Like a cool color too. The fact that I see these holes on the side here, you tie this to something. You want to tie it to a backpack. You're a real trailsman. I mean, you're gonna look like you belong on the trail. I'm now reconsidering my entire shoelace game based on that shoelace. They've also included a nice little pouch. So I guess what happens here, you do the old slide in, and that's a nice little package. I guess we really want to try it, sort of. That's the thing. Direct sunlight? All right, let's head out into the sunshine to find out what the world's thinnest solar charger can do for me and my smartphone. Just like that one cloud. Are you rolling?
Yeah.
That one cloud just changed the readout by like an entire volt. Obviously, your mileage with this thing depends on your environment. Just like I said earlier, when that cloud clears away, this is gonna go back up. It's already starting to climb. 6-point-something volts. Then you plug the smartphone in and it's able to deliver at full sunshine here. It's able to charge this phone at like 0.37 amps. That said, this is no replacement for quick charge, all right? It's gonna take a while still. So even in perfect sunlight, you're looking at a couple hours to charge your phone. I mean, I understand now why this thing raised so much money, because it's modular, it's crazy portable, and I could see having it in your kit. You gotta admit, as a tech enthusiast, turning the sun into smartphone juice, come on.